Welcome to my channel Flights Asciidance. How much can you carry on Vistara Airlines? Full baggage breakdown. Planning to fly with Vistara Airlines? Here's everything you need to know about their latest baggage policy. Learn about cabin baggage limits, check-in luggage allowance, excess baggage charges, and smart packing tips to avoid extra fees. Whether you're traveling domestically or internationally, this guide ensures a hassle-free experience. 1 cabin baggage allowance for economy class. Economy passengers can carry one piece of hand baggage weighing up to 7 kilograms, with dimensions not exceeding 55 centimeters by 40 centimeters by 20 centimeters. This fits in overhead bins or under the seat. A small personal item like a laptop bag or purse is allowed additionally, provided it fits under the seat. 2 cabin baggage for premium classes. Premium economy and business class travelers enjoy 2 pieces of cabin baggage, each up to 7 kilograms and within the same size limits, 55 centimeters by 40 centimeters by 20 centimeters. This enhances comfort for longer flights. Liquids in carry-on must follow the 100 milliliters rule in a 1-liter transparent bag. 3 domestic checked baggage allowance. For domestic flights, economy class allows 15 kilograms total checked baggage, 1 piece up to 23 kilograms max per bag. Premium economy gets 25 kilograms and business class 35 kilogram. Club Vistara Silver, Gold, or Platinum members on economy light fares receive 1 extra piece within India. 4 international checked baggage. International routes offer weight-based allowances. Economy 30 kilograms, premium economy 40 kilograms, and business 50 kilogram. Piece-based systems apply for codeshare partners like United or Singapore Airlines, typically 2 pieces of 23 kilograms each for economy. Single bag weight cannot exceed 32 kilograms across all classes. 5 infant and child policy. Infants, under 2 years, without a seat get 10 kilograms checked baggage plus a collapsible stroller or car seat. Children, to 12 years, receive the full adult allowance based on class. No cabin baggage for infants, but a baby basket is permitted if space allows. 6 excess baggage charges. Overweight or extra pieces incur fees. Domestic, 1,200 rupees, 1,500 rupees per piece or 300 rupees per kilogram. International, starts at $100 for 24-32 kilograms bags, up to $200 for heavier ones. Max 46 kilograms, over 46 kilograms not accepted. Pre-book online for discounts. 7 size and weight limits. Checked bags must not exceed 158 centimeters, L plus W plus H, total per piece. Maximum single bag weight is 32 kilograms to comply with handling safety. Oversized items like sports gear, skis, golf clubs, count as 1 checked bag but may attract a 5,000 rupees handling fee plus GST. 8 prohibited and restricted items. Firearms and ammunition are allowed only in checked baggage with a 5,000 rupees fee, exempt for defense personnel with documents. Laptops and devices with lithium batteries must stay in cabin baggage. Sharp objects, explosives, or corrosives are banned. Check DGCA guidelines for updates. 9 connecting flights and partners on single PNR with international partners. The highest allowance applies, e.g., 23 kilograms enhanced for economy within 24 hours of inbound, outbound international travel. Separate tickets follow each airline's rules. Recheck baggage at connections. Excess on one leg may require payment per sector. 10 special allowances and tips. Duty-free purchases count toward cabin limits but are exempt if bought on board. Musicians can carry 1 instrument as cabin baggage, up to 75 centimeters, or check it free if within allowance. For lost, damaged bags, file a Property Irregularity Report, PIR, immediately at the airport. Pre-purchase extra allowance via the app for savings, and use Vistara's baggage calculator tool online. Adhering to these points minimizes fees and delays. Vistara's policy prioritizes convenience, with options like doorstep baggage services for premium members. For personalized details, visit airvistara.com or contact support. Safe travels. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.